There are other free flyers out there, but I'm not gonna go over. They might be my frenemies. Hey beautiful CVPs, welcome to my channel! It's a beautiful day to be alive, and look where I am. I'm again in this dry beautiful lake out in nature. I'm gonna fly today, babies, and you guys can like see who I am. Yes, I am a ninja. Alright, without further ado, let's get babies out, let's get them in the air, let's get them flying. So today I have Love and I have Hopi, and I'm gonna fly them together. Here are they perched. The weather is gorgeous, there's no smoke and the sun is shining. Here is Hope's GPS, here's Love's GPS. Hey Love, hi, you wanna come out? Hi Love. Come on, Love. Good boy. Hi, look where. Come on. Okay, ready? Oh, good boy. I'm gonna fly them on the Sackway. I'm gonna fly them on the Sackway. Love and Hope, I'm gonna fly them together. I'm gonna drive away from my car right there and fly them right here. This is awesome, guys. I love free flying. Okay, are you guys ready? You guys wanna go fly together? Yeah? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! This is such a gorgeous day. I'm so happy we came out, and it's just beautiful. There's no wind. How happy babies are. Guys, if you like free flying, give me a thumbs up. Huge flight. I'm gonna let them rest now, catch some breath, and then I will talk with you guys. That's me, Carolin and Petzholdt. Look how happy they are. Look how happy they are. Look how happy they are. They're so happy. Picture time. What a gorgeous day. Okay, are you ready to go fly again? Are you ready to go fly again? Let's go fly. Yeah. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, go! do free flying birds. Oh, uh-oh, Love, Hope just spooked. I don't know, what does he see? What is it? Oh, he sees this big helicopter. Hoppy, come! Hope gets spooked fast. Hoppy, come! There's nothing, it's just a big helicopter. It's okay. If Hope gets nervous, like, come on, Hope! Hoppy! Hoppy, come! Oh, no, there's a raven. There's a raven. Oh, good job! Oh my gosh, my babies just did an amazing job. Love flew so nicely and so far and so high, and Hoppy too. So guys, if you want to learn how to do free flying, go check out my book, How to Train Your Parrot and More, only on my website, angelicparrots.com. And that's the best, most informative guide how you can train your parrot if you want to get started. It's only $36 plus shipping. And you will get a all-around knowledge about free flying birds and how to get started, how to do indoor recall training, positive reinforcement, outdoor training, and a lot of parrot behavior. So go check out angelicparrots.com and get your book today. Both of them did excellent, like always. My girls, my boys, they're both boys. My boys are just gorgeous. Guys, I'm having a dance party on my sackway. Look at that. And the dragon, I'm the model dragon. Okay guys, who wants to meet me? Comment below. Come out to Los Angeles. Woohoo! Let me know if you want to have a meetup. Woohoo! Maybe I and Marlene can do something together. Maybe me and Marlene can do something together where we do a meetup. Guys, I want to hear from you if you might come out. All my CVPs, because I don't want to show up and there's just one fan. It happens before I show up onto my screening and there was just like 2 people. Homie, don't. Happy. Guys, a crow just swooped over as well. We were flying and Hope saw him already from far and he took off and he freaked. But usually he gets scared and he flies off if there's a crow or a raven. But this time he didn't spook. He came right back and he came right back to me. Like, that's really good. That's accomplishment. Yeah, my baby. It was an accomplishment. Hi, baby. My baby. My baby. My sweet little baby Hoppy. Are you happy? Don't make a hole in my costume. Ah! Oh, he just made a hole in my costume. Hoppy, this is a brand new costume. Hoppy, don't make a hole in my costume. Alright, let's give them some water. Oh, look at them. Look how cuddly they are. Like after free flying, they're so cuddly. Drink, Love. Love doesn't want to drink. Love is going into his cage himself. Love! No, we still have some rounds to do. Still need to fly some more. Playing with his nut. He already ate it. Look, GPS is working. This is Hope's GPS. Look at all this dust. Every time I come out here, I have to like wash my car. So much dust. Look at my pants. Look how dusty. Look how dusty this all is. From the bottom of my toe to the top of my head, I'm getting dust. Guys, there are ravens or crows or something over there. I hear like all activity. Hope is checking them out. So today I want to talk to you about how hard it is to be a YouTuber and how things are not always as it seems to be. Like, there's so many stuff going out that only people see it from the outside, which is like all the subscribers and all the views and stuff like that. But honestly, it's really, really hard work. And then you know, once you kind of hit some sort of success, there will be always haters who will come to like bash you, but there's also people who love you, and there's fans. So there's like 3 type of population. The first one who really guys, what Obi's doing. Obi, what are you doing? You make me laugh. He makes me laugh. So the first population is like, they don't care at all what you do. They're just not neutral. Obi's coming. Come, Obi. They're just neutral. The second population is like, they hate you. There's so much haters who just hate you. And then there's like the third populations who are my fans, my CVPs, which is my tribe, which they are my tribe, and I totally love them. Now the ones who love you, the ones who hate you, and the ones who don't care. These are the 3 groups. And being a YouTuber is like every day, like you have to always think about content, and then always like, oh, what will hit, what will be good, what will people want to see. And there's always so much content to be posted, and sometimes there's no content, and I'm just thinking like on scrambling and thinking like, what should I post today, what should I edit today? Or I have so much content and I just don't have time to edit, because edit can be a bee sometimes, and it's really hard work to edit. It's very tedious little work. So being a YouTuber is hard work, guys. It's really hard work. And then you're obsessed with like your channel analytics, and then, you know, like I don't make a lot of money off YouTube, and you know, luckily I have my book sales, and that is going really well. But other than that, like there's not really like a lot of income. Of course, if you have like 10 million, 15 million, 20 million subscribers, every video you post will have 3 to 5 million views, and you make a bunch of money. But like my channel views went down so bad, my CPR went down so bad, like I went down half of what I usually have. So I don't know why. Like, I don't know if you want to watch my content, if you like it, if you don't like it, but please comment below, because I want to hear from you if you like my content, if you like my videos, because I don't know what to do. It's just like so much work I put into, and then I just get right now 3,000 to 4,000 views max. I'm not hitting like what I used to hit, like 60,000, 100,000, 200,000, 500,000, 1 million. I just have like, I think like 3 viral videos, and that went really good, but I never know which will hit the nerve of the time. Guys, there are other free flyers out there, but I'm not gonna go over. They might be my frenemies. I don't know anybody who would fly here except my frenemies. Like friends / enemies. Friends / that became enemies. I see them flying like red birds, so I think I have a pretty good idea who it might be. It's the first time that I'm meeting other free flyers out here. Usually here's nobody. And what are the chances, like, you know, if you don't know when they schedule us, like what are the chances we meet randomly in this place? This place is so huge. Like, this is the first time in 2 years or even a year that I met other free flyers out here. But yeah, the free fly world is very divided. People are all doing their own thing, so I'm just doing my thing. Yeah, free flyers are always hating, and there's always like drama, and everything is like always like divided. In LA there's like, I think like 4 or 5 groups of free flyers, and everybody hates each other. Nobody wants to fly with each other. I try to unite everybody, and then my friends turn against me as well, so I just fly alone, or I'm trying to help new people to get flying up in the air. It's coming out. All right, you guys want to fly again? You want to go fly again? Obi, you want to go fly? Yeah, let's go fly. Love is coming out. Love, come on, let's fly. We're here to fly. Yeah? I love you so much. Okay, let's go fly. So I came all the way out here, like 3 hours drive, like round trip, with traffic for Love to fly. Hope is already a pro, but I just, Hope is already a pro, but I want Love to be a pro too, so he needs to get more training in level 1. Don't chase the crows, okay? Don't chase the crows, Hopi. Hopi's a pro. He likes to chase crows. And he wants them to see him. He wants them to see him. Don't chase the crows, okay? He wants them to see them, and then he likes them to chase him, and then he chases them back. Yes, you are. You are a little show-off. You're a little show-off. Oh, the flyers are leaving. They're leaving. Uh-oh. 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 Look, that's them. See, guys? Ow! Those two cars were leaving. That's the two Fremonese free flyers. 2, 3, go! Hey, fly! Hey, fly! Don't fly to the car. 1, 2, 3, go! Good! Mom's coming back. Okay, guys, that's it. My 2 birds landed on my car. Today's shout out goes to Ben White. Hey, you don't know me, but I know you through your YouTube channel. I just wanted to thank you as I received the book that I ordered, which you wrote, and I love the feather that you attached to the front of the feather, one of your hyacinth macaws. I believe anyway, I just wanted to thank you for the book and tell you that I love what you do and that you are doing amazing. And I have had birds all my life, but never really knew how to train them well. But no, I do it now because of your book. God has truly blessed you in lots of ways. I will cherish this book all my life. Thank you so much. Wow, thank you so much, Ben White. Here's your shout out. Thank you for this awesome, sweet message. I love this. It's getting hot. We are done free flying today. If you like this video, give us a big fat like. Go check out Angelic Parrots, my second channel. Oh, hi. Angelic Parrots, my second channel. Also go check out my book, How to Train Your Parrot. And I will see you next time on a new episode of Carolin von Petzholdt. Love you. Bye. Mwah.